2024 BMW iX2 price and specs, electric SUV coupe due early next year. The BMW 9/2's top-of-the-range variant will launch in Australia early next year before a lesser-equipped version of the electric SUV follows mid-year. 2024 BMW iX2 pricing and specifications. 2 grades to arrive next year. Price increase compared to conventional iX1 twin. Priced from $82,900 plus on-road costs. Australian pricing and specifications for the 2024 BMW iX2 have been confirmed, with the small coupe-style electric SUV due to arrive in showrooms from January to March 2024. The iX2, the electric version of the petrol-powered X2, and the coupe-inspired variant of the iX1 joins BMW's lineup of electric SUVs in Australia, which also includes the slightly bigger iX3 and 9 large car. Initially arriving in a higher spec grade, the BMW iX2 xDrive30 will start from $85,700 plus on-road costs $800 more than the equivalent iX1, but $9,800 dearer than the entry-level petrol-powered X2 xDrive30i. A second lesser-equipped iX2 xDrive30 is due to join the lineup from mid-2024, priced from $82,900 plus on-road costs or $4,000 more than the iX1 xDrive30. The two BMW iX2 variants offer different levels of power, torque, and driving range. The BMW iX2 xDrive30 is powered by a 150 kW/247 Nm electric motor on its front axle, delivering a claimed driving range of up to 477 km in European WLTP testing from its 64.8 kWh battery pack up on the 430 km of estimated driving range of the equivalent iX1. BMW's top-of-the-range iX2 xDrive30 is upgraded with dual electric motors, producing up to 230 kW/494 Nm and capable of a claimed 449 km of driving range, almost 50 km more than its iX1 twin under the skin. The BMW iX2 is capable of AC charging at up to 22 kW, while its DC charging system supports up to 130 kW, allowing the battery to be charged from 10 to 80% in less than 30 minutes. As previously reported, all examples of the iX2 will receive BMW's new generation iDrive9 operating system, capable of receiving over-the-air software updates to its curved display, which combines a 10.7-inch digital dash with a 10.25-inch infotainment screen. Standard equipment now includes 2-zone automatic climate control, BMW's own satellite navigation system, an automatic tailgate, 4 USB-C ports, a 12-volt power socket and a sports leather steering wheel. BMW's suite of safety systems are also included, featuring lane centering assist, adaptive cruise control, with stop and go, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera, parking assistant, and drive recorders as standard. The BMW iX2 xDrive30 is due in Australian showrooms between January and March 2024, and will be followed by the iX2 xDrive30 in the middle of the year. 2024 BMW iX2 Australian pricing. iX2 xDrive30 $82,900. iX2 xDrive30 $85,700. 2024 BMW X2 xDrive30 standard features. 19-inch alloy wheels. M Sport appearance package. Automatic tailgate. Adaptive LED headlights. Adaptive M suspension. Veganza Vegan leather look upholstery. M Sport leather steering wheel. Power adjustable. Heated front seats. Acoustic glazed windows. 10.7-inch digital instrument cluster and 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen. Head-up display. BMW iDrive9 operating system, with over-the-air software updates. Wireless and wired Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. Wireless smartphone charging. DAB digital radio. Satellite navigation. 12-month Chargafox subscription. Autonomous emergency braking, AEB. Adaptive cruise control, with stop and go. Lane keep assist. Lane centering assist. blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera, parking assistant, drive recorder, digital key. Available colors: Alpine white, no cost. Black sapphire metallic, $1,800. M Brooklyn gray metallic, $1,800. Fire red metallic, $1,800. Skyscraper gray metallic, $1,800. Cape York green metallic, $1,800. M Portimao blue metallic, $1,800. Frozen Portimao blue, $5,000. Frozen pure gray, $5,000. The optional enhancement package, available on the iX2 xDrive30 for $3,615, or $2,846 when metallic paint is already selected, includes metallic paint, panoramic glass roof, heated steering wheel, front row lumbar support with massage function, 12-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. The optional M Sport Package Pro, available on the iX2 xDrive30 for $4,900, includes 20-inch M-Style 872 alloy wheels, M Shadow line headlights, M seat belts, M Sport brakes, with red calipers.